You excited? You ready for this?
Yep.
We go kayaking?
Yep.
All right.
But I don't even know how to kayak, so...
Cool! The first thing to do was to learn how to paddle. It's harder than it looks.
And try not to get the oar wet. Wait, where's my drink?
There you go.
Yeah. So that's my paddle. Yeah. And this is Dad using his paddle.
I'm showing the proper way to use a paddle. Amadeus is showing the proper way to sit back and do nothing.
I'm doing the proper way to not kayak. And here are my brothers.
Hey, you made it back. You guys are still slow. Smile, you're on camera kind of thing.
Hi.
Oh, you're on camera. Oh no, we're
How
we're
did?
gonna board. We're repairing the board. No!
Grab
the board! No!
Dad, wrong. Dad, you're gonna ram into a boat.
Let's go this way on this corner.
Dad, we're gonna hit the rock.
Probably. As long as we don't capsize, we'll be okay. Look this up.
Oh, jeez. That's a narrow way.
Yeah, go film it.
It's filming. Dad, I think you're supposed to stay in the buoy line.
I'm okay. I don't see a light in there, do you?
Nope. Go back out.
It's pretty dark.
Guys, turn around. We're really close to the rocks, Dad. Why are we going in?
Go this way.
Really, Dad? Dad, now we're stuck. And here we go, exiting the cave. Exiting the cave. See you later, cave. I thought we would be lifelong friends. Further.
Go further in.
Further. Here is the rear view. Or, now it's not the rear view. Here is my mom and my brother. I don't think they're having a fun time.
Hey, physics, are there rocks ahead? If there are, we'll all be dead.
Yay! Whoa! I just got splashed on. Waves are really big. They really have pushed us far. Well, they have also pushed us into areas that we don't really want to go to, like the rocky areas, like that one. Bum, 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 bum.
Hey, Power, you want to play this video?
What is that?
It's a cave, but someone's trying to build out to make something.
Look at that seagull. Mine, 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 mine. Woo! Look at those rocks. And I finished my Powerade. This video is brought to you by Powerade. Bum, 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 bum.
Nope.
I've been sitting here the whole time. This is my paddle. I haven't been used at all. I think I videoed this already, but just in case, here. Dad, how much underwater cameraing can this thing take?
I don't know, I can go like 25 feet underwater.
Ooh! That can I put underwater?
Only if you're holding on super tight.
Okay.
I'm not diving for it, okay?
Hey! Hey! Hi!
Enjoy.
It's fun. It's fun, but also hard. I stopped paddling. Now I follow them.
Start paddling.
Okay.
This is proof he can paddle and be a videographer.
That's not true.
That's not true. Come on. You gotta pull us. Come on. Here, I'm helping. I'll push harder. Okay, let's go. I got you going. Let's go. I'm paddling really hard right now. We're moving. He's moving. Well, don't get us into Gabriella. I don't think she wanted to get hit.
Help me.
Gabriella's in. Hey. Fancy meeting you here.
Hey, the seagull's still there. Looks like it's gonna leave soon. Yeah, we gotta head back now. Signing out. Amadeus.